Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another amazing Jeulia jewelry item to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Jeulia Jewelry did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing jewelry to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys have been following me for any time, pretty much you would know Jeulia Jewelry is my favorite jewelry company, the only one that I bring to show you guys when it comes to this type of jewelry, and they last. I love them. I wear them every single day. I have my earrings that I never take off. All three of these actually are Jeulia Jewelry. I literally wear these every single day. I don't take them off when I take a shower, when I sleep, anything. They stay in my ears all the time. My rings I wear, I have tons of rings. There's watches, bracelets, necklaces. There's so many things that they have, and I have a lot of them that I love. And I just tell you guys, I absolutely love this company. It wears very, very well. I love the way that it looks. It's a fraction of the cost of anything that was like a real diamond, and their proprietary gemstones are absolutely breathtaking. I absolutely love them in the colorless form to stimulate like a real diamond, or in the different colors that they have. And I'm starting to get different colors to show you guys different colors, and I'm actually loving them. Like this one right here has blues and everything in it. Yeah, I cut myself right there. I'm starting a new resin project. If you guys saw my other resin project that I just loaded last weekend, I'm starting on my second one now. So stay tuned for that if you like the first one, if you saw it. But enough about that. Let's get into this particular video, you guys. Okay, so I already explained how much I love Jeulia Jewelry, but they love you guys too. And every now and then they will do a giveaway, so one of you guys can get one of their pieces, and right now is that time. They got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to do a giveaway with you guys since Mother's Day is approaching. Not only do they have amazing deals, so many different amazing deals for Mother's Day right now, and you can still use my code, which is Crafty15, to get an additional 15% off their items on their website. They will be linked down below. You can check out everything that they have to offer. But if you are interested in the Mother's Day giveaway that will be in for this video, stay tuned to after I show you what I receive, and I will give you all of the details and explain to you how you can enter. But I'm super, super excited, and I love the fact that they wanted to pass down to you guys, so you can either, if you win, keep it for yourself or gift it to another. But it will be a Mother's Day giveaway for their Mother's Day specials, and I'm super, super excited. So this time, instead of just picking anything from their site like they normally let me do, I decided to pick from the same selection you guys get to pick from. So I picked from the Mother's Day rings. So there's a little sneak peek. It'll be a ring that you get to enter in for. So I chose one from that category. There's so many amazing and beautiful rings on their site, especially in that specific category. It was hard for me to choose, but I definitely did choose one, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So when you first receive the box, it comes in a mailer box. It does ship extremely fast, and if it is sized, they will size it for you and everything. Now for their rings, they go from a size 3 all the way up to a 15 and every half size in between. So at first, when they got a hold of me years ago, I was just getting necklaces, watches, bracelets, because I did not think that they would have them big enough for my fingers. Oh no, all the way up to a 15, you guys. So I am just absolutely loving that they have so much different like flexibility for the sizes that they do. And all of their jewelry is 925 sterling silver. And there's also warranties and all of that too. So I will get into that. So when you open this up, your item will be down inside with a few little goodies on top. Right on top, you will have this right here that says stop. Drop. No, you don't drop, just stop. This is basically going to tell you that if you purchase anything that is sized, so if you get a ring and you tell them the size, make sure it fits 100% before you remove the tag that is on it. And I will show you, since I have a ring, I'll show you the tag. Don't remove that tag until you know 100% you're happy with it, because if you remove the tag, you will not be able to exchange it, return it, that kind of thing. So anything that's sized, don't remove the tag until you make sure that it fits you or who it's going to, that kind of thing. So stop, pay attention, don't remove it just yet. You also will have their newest brochure, which goes over a lot of their new collections. I love looking through this because they always like kind of show you their newest things. So you're always up to date with what they have. Plus you can follow them on their Instagram and they show you a lot of wonderful things there too. Yes, they have a lot of Nightmare Before Christmas. If you know me, you know I love that. I do have a lot of pieces. See, this collection, that's the ring I'm wearing right there. I have that necklace, and I think those are the earrings that I have. I need to pull them out and probably switch them out with the ones I'm wearing because those are adorable. I forgot about those. I have so many pieces, let me tell you. It's just, everything is just stunning. Ooh, and they even have like, you know, different like rose golds, tones. They just have so many cute things that I just love Jeulia Jewelry. Let me tell you. Here's another little picture for you. Okay, so now going back to the packaging, the next thing in there is going to be a gift bag. So if this is gifted for another, they already have you covered. You have a gift bag. So you just open this up. It has their logo and it's a nice thick bag. This is not like a cheap little bag either. You can pull these out. You can put your item down inside. They give you a greeting card so you can write a little note to put down in there. And then here is a cleaning cloth. So if this is not a gift, remove the cleaning cloth so you can clean your jewelry. But I do like the fact that they make it super, super convenient if it is a gift, that it's already gift ready to go. You don't have to do anything else but sign the little card in there. If it's not for a gift and this is for yourself, you don't care about this bag. You want to know what is inside of here. So this is how it comes. If you do get bigger pieces, they will have bigger, you know, boxes and all of that, but this is just for the ring. So when you open it up, it's right there. They do also protect everything in transit, so they're always going to be like in bags, protected. They're not just going to be loose rolling around inside. So here is that tag that I was telling you about. So you will have this tag here. I already told them my size, plus I get this for review, so it wouldn't matter if it was wrong or not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it, but if you purchase one, make sure you check it first. And oh my gosh, this is even more beautiful in person. Are you guys shocked that that middle stone is like a brown color? Are you shocked that I picked this? Now, let me tell you, when I was looking through everything, I was torn between two different ones. One of them was all colorless, so it was all just clear like I normally have. But like this one has a few of like these light brown stones. And then this one has a few of the light brownish yellow, and then it has like a teal and a dark blue. So I thought, you know what? Let's go ahead and play with some more colors. So I was torn. Oh my gosh, this is just sparkling so much. Oh my God, I love their jewelry. I was torn between two different ones, and I look over to my man and I'm like, hey, I'm trying to pick a new ring from this selection, and I'm having a little difficulties, and I'm torn between these. And he saw this one, and right away he's like, that's a no-brainer, get that one, that's gorgeous. And I was like, okay. And then when I went to copy and paste the name to send to them, it's actually called the avocado ring. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that even means so much more to me, because if you guys do not know, I associate avocados with my grandfather, who is no longer with me, and he always had the biggest and best avocado tree every year. The whole family just would get bags and bags. It was a huge tree. We'd get bags and bags of avocados. And then when I moved to Florida, my mom started sending them to like a box full of them to me, the oranges and the avocados. I even started my own tree off of it. Unfortunately, a lot of them did not make it. I think it's just a completely different climate for that tree to live out here in Florida versus California, where it was originated. I do have one successfully that has lived, and I did successfully do one that I mailed to my mom even, so she can keep it in California, so I know I at least have one of his trees. But I associate avocados with my grandfather. I even went and got a tattoo of an avocado on my arm for him. So when I saw that this was avocado, I was like, it was destined to be. And it just means it's a sentimental meaning to me. And I just really like the fact that this is called the avocado ring. And I absolutely love this ring. So I had to tell you my little story, but that's why when it comes to avocados, they hold a special place in my heart only for that reason. It totally reminds me of my grandfather. So let me go. I don't know if I want to wear it where the teardrop is up or down. I know you can do it either way, but let's go ahead and fits like a glove. That is what it's going to look like on. And I think that's so neat that now I just have like different colors and I'm not just sticking with like all the clear. I'm venturing out and oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Let me flip it back. Let me flip it the other way to see which way. I don't know which way looks better if I have it flipped up, or I think I kind of like it like that. Well, that's the beauty in it. You can have it either way you want. But if you can't tell, which I will be showing you close-ups of this like I always do, I try to give you the most information possible in my videos. But on here, these are all clear. And then you have like a row of dark green, a row of like a olive green, and then you have like that dark brown smack dab in the middle. This is just so sparkly and just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Put it back on. Put it back on. That is just a gorgeous ring. It's now going to be a sentimental tie to my heartstrings, and I just really love it even more that it's the avocado ring. So there's that. So I'm going to give you a little bit more information about Jeulia Jewelry, and then we will dive into the rules of this giveaway. Again, they have rings, they have bracelets. I think they even have anklets. There's necklaces, there's earrings, they have little pins, they even have charms, there's watches, and I think I just saw they just released sunglasses, you guys. So now they're selling sunglasses. There's even really, really neat jewelry boxes or a box to present to somebody, like a single ring and it'll open up. They just have so many different things on their site. You can definitely get lost looking at everything, but it is all amazing, high quality, and you will not be disappointed if you purchase anything. You shouldn't be anyway. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant to everyday wear. And that is true. Again, my rings, I wear them every single day. I wear them in the shower, doing dishes, cleaning, anything like that. If I'm working with paint, obviously I'm going to take them off because I want to protect my rings. But anything normal day to day, I never take anything off. So they definitely do last a long time, and you won't have a lot of scratches or anything like that. I have nothing. I have no scratches. And like, this is like new. See how it's a little shinier versus old, but I wear this one every single day. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning. Again, I don't even clean mine and they look amazing. With proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. And it looks just like one. I actually take all my real diamond off, like all my real diamond rings that I had before. I don't even wear them anymore. All I wear is Jeulia. So it goes to show you, I like Jeulia more. They're just gorgeous. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. Again, they are all 925 sterling silver. They have flexible financing. They have secure shopping, free standard shipping over $99, 30-day returns, and a 1-year warranty. Again, they will all be linked down below. You can use my code to save some extra money. And I do love showing you this video that I got from their website. It kind of just goes a little bit more in depth of their jewelry. I love watching it. I love showing you guys. So if you want to watch it, here you go.
My name is Laura, and I'm one of the head designers for Jeulia Jewelry. Jewelry is not just something you wear. It's something you feel. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a way of life. Jeulia Jewelry has the ability to not only personalize the look, but also to evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality of Jeulia Jewelry, and we create beautiful premium artisanal jewelry that express, that reflect who you are and what you stand for. Pieces that you won't only wear to ceremonies and parties, but that you'll want to wear throughout your everyday life. Our dream is to make you feel an emotional connection to our jewelry, which is why each of our personalized designs are 100% handcrafted to offer you what you love from our heart to your heart. Everything we offer is made in-house, so we know that craftsmanship like this comes from caring hands and not from an assembly line, to ensure that the end product is a beautiful representation of the woman wearing it. Inspiration is a finicky concept because it comes from one's perception of this reality, and so therefore you can open a book, a fairy tale book in your workplace and be inspired, and other times you walk around and you see random items and they push you to create the most beautiful jewelry. I would say in the end, making jewelry is almost dreamlike because it allows you to tap into your emotional feelings, which is precious. Yes, Jeulia, I love me.
All right, you guys, so the giveaway, let's start talking about that. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait for one of you to get your hands on one of these rings. Let me tell you, this can be for yourself to spoil yourself, or you can use it as a gift for another, your mother, your daughter, your mother-in-law, your grandmother, whoever you would like for a Mother's Day gift, or just a surprise me gift. It's up to you. So what you're going to do is, number one, be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those that are here positively supporting me on my channel. Number two, give this video a big thumbs up. Be over the age of 18. In the description box under giveaway rules, there will be a link. Follow that link and it will take you to one specific page of Jeulia Jewelry's, and that is for the Mother's Day rings. Out of that page, you can choose one of the rings that are on that Mother's Day ring page. If you veer off and look at other selections, you're more than welcome to, but only the Mother's Day rings is for this particular giveaway. Now, when you pick the one that you want, you come back here, you leave one comment on this video, one comment per username to make it fair for everybody entering in. And this is international as well. So that's amazing because Jeulia Jewelry ships internationally. So they're going to actually open this internationally for you guys. And I absolutely love that. So again, you come back here, comment, enter me for, and put the item number for the one ring in that selection that you would be entering in for if you are the winner. This is going to run for 1 week. We want to do it quick and simple and seamlessly. So hopefully whoever does win can select their selections, give them their size, and we can get the address and it can be shipped to you before Mother's Day. So if it is for a gift, you will have it hopefully before Mother's Day. That is our goal. So this will run for 1 week. At the end of the week, I will use a random comment picker to cipher through the comments that says enter me. If you are the one that it chooses, I will comment back to your comment saying, congratulations, you are the current winner of this giveaway and now have 48 hours to contact me back. Please make sure it is from my own user, my account only, that has my She Crafty logo, and it spells and looks just like my name. And I will say this right here every time. This is what I say to you guys. If that current winner does not respond within the 48 hours, I will have to choose a new winner. The new winner will have the same rules applied, so on and so forth, until there is a confirmed win. Down below in the description box, we'll have all of the official rules, the official end date, if there's any questions, and then it will say congratulations to so-and-so, and it will say confirmed if they are confirmed, or has 48 hours to confirm if they have not confirmed yet. So that is everything for this particular video, you guys. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of Jeulia Jewelry? What do you think of the ring that I chose, this avocado one? Oh, it's just stunning and sparkly. Ooh, I absolutely love it. So comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.